Hey guys, this is another eBay unboxing, which is a really big package, and as you might have saw from the front, it has a tag heavy. Ooh. But if you read the title, you know what it is, and well, let's just get to the unboxing. Okay, here we go. Hopefully it's intact because it had to travel 2 states because of the weather that happened during shipping. Anyway, let's get this. Alright, this is pretty decent packaging. This is Walmart bags and some paper bag things. All that. Ooh, it's pretty big. So let's get this out of here. Okay. Now let's try this once more. Let's see, is there anything more? Okay, no. So we'll get that out of the way. Let's get the main star in frame. Here we go. So in case you're wondering, this is a first-gen Toshiba DVD player. It's not just a first-gen Toshiba player, it's a first-gen of any DVD player. And the format was released in March of 1997. That's when it was manufactured. It has a video out selection for component, S-video, PCM, and analog out. This is the higher-end 599 model of its day. And I got it with the original remote too. Okay, let's plug her in and see if she works. This was being sold as untested, but I just plugged it in just now, and let's see. No, I don't think there is any batteries in the remote. We'll just use the front player. There's no signal, at least not yet. Let's see, analog on, and oh, okay. Video select. Okay, no disc. Let's eject. And it does eject. Let me get a DVD here. This is a copy of Army of Darkness from way back in the day, so it should be able to read this. Maybe. Okay, my TV decided to switch. Okay, that does not sound good. Yeah, I can't eject it either. That's not a good sign. Trying to turn it off and it's still trying to load that disc. Looks like I'm gonna have to unplug it and plug it back in. Okay, so I tried putting in a CD here and it appears it doesn't work. And oh, there it goes. Please check disk. I'm guessing it is trying to read it. I think it detected it for a second, but that check disk error looked like it was for CDs, so we'll try DVDs again. Maybe it's that or the DVD player's having takes a long time. So after disassembling, the DVD player actually has 2 lasers. Still pretty cool. This is the circuit board where all the sound and video processing goes, for your Dolby digital sound, and there's your big hunk of power supply. Let's do that. I think I did fix it. Laser just needed a little bit of assistance, but it now can play the discs. I am just blown away that something that old is still playing after 23 years of non-usage. I mean, The condition of this player is really excellent. The front display has barely any scratches. All this is just some fingerprints and all that. Oh, I'm gonna stop that. Alright, so let's get this back together and we'll test it one more time just to make sure it all works just fine. I decided to get the remote and see if it works, and it does indeed. Alright, let's eject. We'll try this DVD. It's one of the old school flipper DVDs, so I thought, well, might as well do it for the time era of this player's release, because back in the day Warner Brothers had flipper DVDs to where it contained the pan and scan and widescreen versions of movies. And there's DVD. And there's the Warner Home Video logo. Alright, let's try some of the buttons. Oh, that's really cool. It refers to Dolby Digital as AC3 because that's what Dolby Digital is. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll do a separate review of this DVD player sometime in the future. Anyway, guys, catch you in the next one. Bye for now.